Watch the market and not your P&L. The market will tell you what to do. Your P&L will make you emotional. By Mark Minervini. You've done the work. You've back-tested your strategy. You know your setups. You've defined your risk. Logically, you know exactly what to do. So why did you close that winning trade early, only to watch it rocket another 20% without you? Or why did you add to that loser, praying for a reversal as it carved a crater in your portfolio? The market didn't beat you. Your own mind did. Because lurking in the shadows of every decision, behind every click of the buy or sell button, are the two primal forces that have sunk more trading accounts than any bad news event or flash crash ever could. Fear and greed. They are the silent partners in every trade you make, and if you don't learn to manage them, they will become your portfolio's managers. Today, we're not just going to talk about this problem. We're going to arm you with a tactical, step-by-step protocol to identify, disarm, and defeat these enemies. We'll learn how to emotionally detach in the heat of the moment, analytically review our actions without mercy, and strategically rebuild our process to lock confidence back in. Stay with me, because this is the most important trade you'll ever make, the trade on yourself. Welcome to Winning Trader Mindset, the channel where trading psychology meets unshakable discipline, mental toughness, and elite performance. If you are new here, please like and subscribe for more trading insights. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor or therapist. This video is for educational purposes only. Trading is high risk, and you can lose more than you deposit. Your success is your responsibility. We will discuss about the number one enemy of every trader: fear and greed. Let's start with acknowledging the enemy. First, let's be clear. Feeling fear and greed isn't a weakness. It's human biology. Your brain is hardwired for survival. Fear is your amygdala screaming danger at a losing trade, triggering a fight-or-flight response that clouds judgment. Greed is that same primal brain seeing a winner and shouting, "More, get more," overriding your logical plan for securing gains. The goal isn't to eliminate these feelings. That's impossible. The goal is to recognize their voice, thank them for their input, and then let your logical, prefrontal cortex, the part that built your trading plan, make the final call. Your edge in the markets isn't just your strategy, it's your execution. And fear and greed are the ultimate execution killers. They make you break your own rules. And a broken rule today becomes a bad habit tomorrow, and a blown account next month. Step 1. The emotional detachment protocol. In the moment. When a trade is on, the pressure is real. The emotional brain is shouting. This is where we need tools to create space. This is your in-the-moment protocol. Tool A. The pre-trade pause. Before you ever enter a trade, you must state your plan out loud or write it down. I am entering here. My stop is here. My target is here. I am risking X% of my account. This act of vocalizing or writing engages your logical brain first and creates a baseline to refer back to when emotions run high. Tool B. The breathing reset. When you feel that surge of panic or excitement, your heart rate increasing, your grip tightening on the mouse, that's your signal. Do this. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Exhale for 6. Repeat 3 times. This isn't spiritual mumbo-jumbo. It's a physiological hack. It stimulates the vagus nerve, lowering your heart rate and cortisol levels, and literally hands control back from your amygdala to your prefrontal cortex. Tool C. The why check. In that moment of panic or euphoria, ask yourself one simple question. Am I about to do this because of my plan, or because of how I feel? Are you moving your stop loss because the chart technically broke a level, or because you're afraid of the loss? Are you taking profit early because the setup is invalidated, or because you're greedy for more? This one question forces a moment of conscious thought that can break the emotional autopilot. Step 2. The analytical review, the post-trade autopsy. Your trading journal isn't just a record of profits and losses. It's your lab for dissecting fear and greed. The goal here is forensic analysis, not self-flagellation. For every trade where you suspect emotion played a role, you need to conduct a post-trade autopsy. Create these columns in your journal. Number 1. The planned action. What did your trading plan dictate you should do? Hold until target 2 is hit? Number 2. The actual action. What did you actually do? Took profit at target 1 because I got nervous? Number 3. The emotional trigger. Name the exact emotion. Was it the fear of loss, the fear of missing out, FOMO, or greed? Be brutally honest. Number 4. The physical sensation. What did you feel in your body? Butterflies, tight chest, sweating palms? This helps you identify the feeling earlier next time. Number 5. The cost. Quantify it. How much did this emotional decision cost you in actual dollars? Or in opportunity cost? Seeing the tangible price tag of fear and greed is a powerful motivator for change. This process transforms vague feelings of regret into concrete, data-driven problems. You're no longer fighting a ghost, you're fixing a documented bug in your system. You might find that 80% of your mistakes come from just one type of emotional trigger. Now you know exactly what to work on. Step 3. The strategic rebuild, the confidence loop. You've identified the leaks in your system. Now we patch them and rebuild confidence through a process I call the confidence loop. And it starts with one non-negotiable action: radically reduce your size. If you were trading with 5 lots, go down to 1. If you were risking 2% per trade, go down to 0.5%. I can hear the objections. I'll never make back my losses trading that small. You are missing the point. Right now, your goal is not profit. Your goal is perfect execution. You are drilling muscle memory. You are trading at a size where the monetary outcome is almost irrelevant. The win condition is no longer a green trade. It's a process win. A trade where you followed every single step of your plan, regardless of the outcome. You need a string of 10, 15, 20 consecutive process wins. Each one is a brick in the foundation of your new, unshakable confidence. It rewires your brain to associate following the plan with positive reinforcement. Once you have that streak, and only then, do you gradually scale your size back up. You've proven to yourself that you can execute under pressure. You've tamed the beast. Empowerment and reframing the journey. Fear and greed will always be with you, but they don't have to be your enemies. Think of them instead as a dangerous but powerful engine. Uncontrolled, they'll crash your car. But if you learn to put them behind a steering wheel and a firewall of rules, your trading plan, they can provide the fuel for incredible discipline and growth. Your journey to consistency isn't about finding a magical indicator. It's about the daily, deliberate practice of choosing your plan over your feelings. It's about becoming the CEO of your own mind. If you found this video valuable, do this one thing for yourself. Hit the like button. It helps the channel, but more importantly, it bookmarks this lesson for you. Subscribe and turn on notifications if you want to continue this journey of building unshakable discipline. I want to hear from you in the comments. What is your biggest tell, that physical sensation, that fear or greed is taking over? Sharing it makes it real and helps all of us learn. Remember, the trade is not just on the chart, it's in your mind. Master that, and you master the market. Thanks for watching. We're all in this together, and sharing experiences helps everyone grow. And please don't forget to watch our next video that show on your screen right now, about how to mentally recover from a massive loss and become unbreakable trader. Until next time, stay mindful, stay disciplined, and may the charts be ever in your favor. Happy trading.